Right, the last one, alhamdulillah, for this one. Okay, but and after this, I will have another short example before we end our class. Okay, I know that it's a long lecture. Never mind. Okay, let's get the pain first and then relaxing in that time. Can we look at the last the sample E, and then they give the positive combination is 0, 1, 0 if I'm not mistaken. So I write down everything first. So just fill in the blank after this. Times 100, I'll start to remember this formula very well. Okay, this is ml of negative, and then you have ml of all. And then eventually you'll get the answer. Allahu Akbar. Okay. Right, look at sample E. Okay, they have done 4 experiments. Unfortunately, only one experiment gave positive results. The others are all known positive results. Okay, that means negative results. So if you are faced with this kind of situation whereby from 4 experiments that you are doing, or even 5 experiments or 6 experiments, only one that give positive results, what you have to do, you have to take that one positive results. Okay, what I mean by one, not necessarily one positive. Okay, if let's say you do the experiment, this one give you 3 out of 5, so that 3 has got to be taken into the positive combination. Okay, so you see, once you take this positive combination, you need to take one before and one after, and that's why they got this positive combination as 0, 1, 0. Okay, so if you have 3 over there, that means you have 0, 3, 0. So you still have to get 1 before and 1 after. So this is the positive results. So if you remember, number of positive is only 1. Okay, so this 1 value needs to be times with 100 divided by the square root of ml of negative. Okay, now we have interesting situation. Whenever you have 0 in your combination, okay, like this, you have 0, 1, 0. Okay, you have at least 1 0 in this combination. You have to consider all of them. So when you talk about ml of negative, okay, so this one, the negative is 5. You see, because no positive, that means negative is 5. So 5 times 1. So this one, the negative is 4. 4 times 0.1, that means 0.4. And this one is 5 negative, that means 5 times 0.01, that means 0.05. This is 5.45. That is the ml of negative tubes. Okay, I repeat it again. Once you have 0 in your combination, all of them need to be considered in your calculation. Even if you have 5, okay, in your combination, you remember, I told you before, when you see 5, you ignore them, okay, do not count them. But if you have 510, for instance, or 501 or whatever, okay, once there is 0 in the combination, the 5 suddenly being considered. So that's about it, okay? So remember, our positive tube is 1 for this moment, and our ml of negative we have already calculated. I have already shown you. That means you have to consider all of them. This is 5.45, and ml of all is 5.55. Okay, 5.55. So let's look at my whiteboard. Okay, there's only one positive tubes. 5, 4, 5. And this one is 5.55.
18.
18, that is correct. Okay. Right.